Hey there, safety champions. I'm Radiant Raya, and today we're talking about something that keeps all vehicles safe: tires. Tires do more than just roll. They keep vehicles stable, provide grip on roads, and prevent accidents. But do you know what happens if they are not maintained properly? The first and most important factor in tire maintenance is tire pressure. Correct tire pressure ensures good grip, fuel efficiency, and safety. But too much or too little air can cause trouble. Too much air can make the tire hard and bouncy, reducing grip. Too little air makes it flat and difficult to control, leading to accidents. Checking your tire pressure is easy. Use a tire pressure gauge to measure the air inside. You can find the recommended pressure on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the vehicle manual. Next, let's talk about tread patterns. These grooves on your tire help your vehicle grip the road, especially when it's wet or slippery. Tires with deep tread patterns provide better grip. But as tires wear down, their tread becomes shallow, making it dangerous to drive, especially in rain or on rough roads. Want to check if your tires are safe? Look for the tread wear indicators. These small raised bars inside the grooves that show when it's time to replace the tire. Apart from treads, watch out for other signs of tire damage like cracks, bulges, or uneven wear. These can cause a tire to burst while driving. To keep your tires lasting longer, you should rotate them every few months. This helps in even wear and better performance. Ever wondered what happens when a tire suddenly bursts while driving? It's called a tire blowout, and it can be dangerous. But don't worry, I'll show you what to do. If your tire bursts while driving, don't panic. Hold the steering wheel firmly, take your foot off the accelerator, and let the car slow down gradually. Do not brake suddenly. Great job today, safety champions. Remember, good tires equals safe rides. Keep checking your tires and stay safe on the road.